This is the Libernovo Omni, an ergonomic chair with features you don't normally see in the market. A motorised bionic FlexFit backrest, advanced reclining features, and the Omni Stretch spinal massage system. Now, I spend a fortune on computers, laptops, monitors and peripherals, but the one product that I've really neglected is a decent chair, as you can see here. Now lately, I've been getting a bit of back pain from my hours of sitting in front of a desk, so I've reached out to Libernovo to test their Omni ergonomic motorised chair. Now, is this the ultimate evolution in ergonomics, or is it just another fancy mesh chair with a fancy name? Let's take a look at it now. So here is the Libernovo Omni. As you can see, it's a good looking ergonomic chair. This is the space grey. It's also available in black or a new green. Now we'll show you the unboxing and the installation of this chair in a little while, but first of all, I want to just sit in it and see what it actually feels like. So straight away, sitting in this chair, it feels like it molds to my body. Instantly, it's just so much more comfortable than the basic chair that I have been using in this studio for the last 4 or 5 years. Now I have tried gaming chairs before, but gaming chairs, they look great, but they are pretty awful on your back as well. So I'm literally looking for an ergonomic chair to make my day-to-day workflow a bit more comfortable. So comfort aside, I want to talk about some of the features that we're going to get in this chair because it is absolutely feature laden. Now the Omni name comes from the range of motion in this chair. And here's what actually matters. You get 4D armrests. These armrests, they can pivot backward and forward, they can come into your body, and they can come up and down and lock into place. They're also very comfortable on the top, and you will notice there are controls into the actual left armrest here, which we're going to look at in a little while. You can also pivot them in or out, depending on what's comfortable for you with your body size. We've got incredibly smooth casters, which, I mean, I'm on a carpet here, and it is very easy for me to move around. I've been really impressed with how smooth this system is to pivot and move around my floor, which I couldn't do on my previous chair. And then we do have a lot of the controls for the height adjustments and the angle all together on this side. So I can raise the chair height or drop it at the touch of a button. And more importantly, is the actual angle of incline on the chair. So this small lever on the side here allows me to adjust the actual angle of the chair. So obviously initially we're straight up, flicker the button back, we're dropping it back to 120, then 135, and all the way back to 160 for a comfortable reclined experience. So if you want to sort of relax at the end of the day, put your feet up, play a handheld, read a book, this is a really comfortable way to do it. Another beautiful feature with this chair, when you are reclining backwards, the actual arms go with you. They pivot with the actual chair. And you'll see underneath here that the arms can go all the way back. This makes it particularly comfortable that the actual armrests are coming back. A lot of the other ergonomic chairs don't even consider that. With regards to the actual reclining, we do have a tensioning mechanism just underneath here to make it tighter or looser when you're leaning back. I like to add the tension so that when I'm leaning back, it feels quite stiff. So I have to put a little bit of pressure in so I'm not accidentally just rocking back on it. But it does make it incredibly comfortable to go back to the angle that you wish, depending on the task you're doing. Now the upright angle is incredibly comfortable and this chair molds to your back. That takes me to the next feature, and that's the fully adjustable motorised back plate, which is engaged by these buttons here. And you can see you've got a forward and backward. And as I press this button, it lights up. And you can see here the piston pushing the actual lumbar support up into my back. And that's way too far for me. Let's drop it backwards again. You can get it into a position where you are comfortable for day-to-day use. Now the Omni backrest hugs your spine for perfect support. It's got 8 flexible panels, 14 dual connection points and 16 pivot points. And this ErgoPulse motor system powers the backrest, sculpting an S-curve that totally supports your back, up to 300 pounds, and keeps your spine aligned with every movement. And honestly, this has really felt incredibly comfortable, and I do get a lot of back pain when I'm sitting in my normal chair. Now we also get a 3D headrest, which can adjust up or down, it can come in or out, and it can pivot, and it's incredibly comfortable. Now my previous Razer gaming chair, you had just a pad that you stuck on the back, which used to just stick into the back of my head. I hated it, I never used it. But with this, I can fully adjust it so it's completely comfortable, and it's particularly useful if you want to actually pivot backwards and lean down on your chair. You can adjust this headrest and make it almost like a pillow. It's so comfortable and it feels really plush. So it's very comfortable on your neck and back of your head. You can also buy an optional leg rest for this chair. Now the leg rest has got a dual function. Firstly, if you're maybe shorter than 6 foot and you don't want your feet dangling because you're high up to your desk, you can use the leg rest to provide support. Also, if you want to kick back to 160 degrees and read a book or play a games console, you can use that leg rest to pop your legs on and have a very comfortable experience. You could even fall asleep on it. Now I want to quickly talk about the assembly. Now personally, this was very, very easy and quick to assemble on my own once I got that massive box into my actual room. That was pretty heavy, maybe get someone to help you with that. But the contents of the box are very well laid out, everything's well packed, everything's clearly labelled, and you get a great instruction manual and guide to actually put this chair together, fully labelled with pictures so that you can't make any mistakes. And on my own, I had this chair built in about 15 minutes, so there's no issues there. Now I also want to mention that as this is obviously a motorised chair, you're going to need a battery. I didn't show you this earlier on, but the battery is literally popped straight into the chair. Now, as you can see, it's got a nice hand grip to make it very easy to push it in and out, and it just plugs straight in and provides up to 30 days of power with just normal day-to-day use, which includes a daily back massage, which we haven't talked about yet, and day-to-day adjusting of the back piston. Now it is also very, very easy to charge with just a USB-C charger to get this back up and running again. Now let's quickly talk about the Omni Stretch Massage. Now this is quite impressive. I thought it was going to be a gimmick, but I've actually been using it. This one button here on the side gives you 5 minutes of back stretching. So you pop yourself back to your 160 degrees and 5 minutes of stretching, and I felt so much better after doing this. So I am going to genuinely try and do this once a day for the next few days, just see if it helps. I do get a lot of lower back pain. So then lastly, I want to just quickly talk about the warranty. Now, Libernovo offer 5 years warranty on the chair and 2 years warranty on the electrics. So you should have no problems, and it feels incredibly sturdy anyway. So I don't think there's going to be any issue at all over the life of this chair, but it's nice that it's backed with that 5-year peace of mind. So that takes me through to my conclusion. And obviously, no chair is perfect. There's a couple of things, a couple of little niggles, but on the whole, I really love this chair. I love the aesthetics. It looks like a Herman Miller alternative, but at the fraction of a price. And it does feel incredibly comfortable and molds to your body. I found the motorised back adjustment genuinely useful and provides incredible comfort for my long-term working sessions. The chair genuinely feels like it's actually moulded to me. But there are a couple of niggles. For me personally, the armrests themselves, as great as they are and fully adjustable as they are, I wish I could lock them. They do slide around a little bit on occasion, and I wish, personally, I could get them where I like them and lock them into place. And also, I love the fact that we have a little bar to adjust the reclining feature of the backrest, but I wish there was a little bit more granular control, so I could adjust just a few degrees here and there if I want my upright just a bit further back than one of the preset settings. But again, I'm really niggling here. Overall, this is an excellent chair. So there we go, who's this chair for? And I'll say this Libernovo Omni is perfect for the person who wants maximum ergonomics without paying the designer tax. This really looks like a workhorse of a chair, and I can't wait to put it for good use on this channel for the foreseeable future. It forces you into a better posture, which might feel a little bit odd at first, but your spine is going to thank you for it, even by the first few days. Now I am going to put a link to this chair in the description down below. Go and check it out, consider one for yourself, and as always, if you've got any questions, pop it down in the comment section and I will get back to you. And lastly, thanks for watching.